Okay, you guys, this is 12 Hidden Cove Drive. We have a great one-car garage and a little courtyard in the front. It's right across from this big green space. It also has some picnic tables and a place for dog waste, little baggies and stuff like that. This is the little courtyard area. Definitely can be cleaned up and super cute. All right. So we are inside 12 Hidden Cove, and right off to the left of the front door is a large half bath. So you can definitely put a full-size vanity here. Also next to the door is a large closet, lots of storage space, more storage under the stairs, and directly to your right here is garage. It's a one-car garage. Washer and dryer hookup would be there, and your AC is out here. Heading back inside. We have lots of natural light. You can see the backyard space. It could definitely use some love, but it would then be really cute. The kitchen is updated. There's a breakfast bar that wraps around with about a 12-inch overhang here, so you can put stools so everybody can gather. And this is granite countertop, so it is solid stone throughout the whole kitchen. There is a tile backsplash. And then as we head upstairs, off to the right here, you have a very large bedroom with a ceiling fan, and you can look out on the patio. Really big vanity. These are slow close doors on the vanity. Lots of closet space. And then a really large shower tub combo, toilet, lots of space here. So you can definitely get creative. And then across the hall, here's a linen closet off the master. And then down this hallway, you have another large size bedroom with a closet. And they have their own bathroom as well. And that's it.